Hey guys, today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me while I get ready for work. It's just going to be a very simple, quick makeup look, and I am going to be trying out some Shein makeup products for the first time. So if you want to see how I did this and how I like the Shein products, go ahead and let's keep going. Good morning, everyone. Alright, I'm still not fully awake. This is my face in the morning. It is very dehydrated, so the first thing I'm going to do is put some of the Mineral 89 prebiotic on my face. This stuff smells like a crushed up vitamin or something, but it makes my skin feel great. So that's what we're using. And the whole purpose of this video was to try out the Shein makeup stuff. I only have 4 items, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm getting ready for work this morning. So the first thing I'm trying is this purple concealer from Shein, and I'm sorry if you can hear the guy snow plowing my driveway. I started getting ready for the video before he got here, so okay, I'm just gonna take some of that purple concealer because I do have darkness, a lot of darkness, and that's a lot of products. And I'm just gonna kind of dab it under my eyeballs and use a sponge and blend it. I'm gonna go over my lids too, just to kind of get rid of that redness type of a color on my lid. Okay, I can definitely tell that it did something, and it doesn't feel like thick and cakey at all, so that's good. So next I'm gonna go in with some foundation. This isn't usually how I do my makeup, but it's how we doing it today. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Tinted Serum Foundation. I really like this stuff. The only thing that I don't like is the dropper gets super gunky. Like, I don't understand why it's even a dropper because it's just messy. Like, literally I could cover my face twice with all the stuff that's on the outside of the dropper. I'm just gonna blend that. Usually I do my foundation and stuff last, but because most of the stuff I got from Shein is face product, I'm doing it first. I really like this L'Oreal foundation. It's super lightweight, but the coverage on it is super decent. Next I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and then we're gonna finish up with the Shein stuff. For concealer, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Oatmeal. And the shade of the foundation I used was 0.52. It's like literally the lightest shade they have right now. And I'm just gonna do this kind of a thing under my eyes. And then again with the same sponge, just blend it. I like to bring it up toward the temples and then down on the sides of the nose. And then instantly after I blend that, I'm not even going to do this side yet. I'm just gonna put some powder over it, make sure that it doesn't crease, and then just let it chill while I do this side. So normally when I go to work, I wouldn't be doing all of this face makeup because I have to wear a mask all day. So normally I would not be doing this. But I really wanted to get a video out, so I am multitasking. Okay, so when I do the powder, I kind of go like this, and then I drag it up my nose, and then just blend it with a brush. Now we're going in with the Shein stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start with this contour. I have not used it yet. This is Golden Sun Liquid Sculpt Contour. The packaging is super cute. And the applicator is super cute too. It's like a little sponge. So I'm just going to go 2 dots for now. And then where's my brush? I'll use this brush. I'll start by stippling and then blending. Okay, I like how light it is. I don't like super dark. It definitely gave me a little bit more of a cheekbone. I like that. I like it. Oh, I got powder on my nose. So now I'm going to go ahead and go under here because this area needs some help. I'm just going to blend it around in circles. Okay. A little bit of help. Alright, now I'm going on my nose. Just going to do like a U shape, and then I'm going to use this. Woo! I'm going to use this little brush to blend out the nose contour. It doesn't want to blend that well on my nose. Oh, that's probably my fault because I put the powder on my nose. I probably should have thought about that first. And I did not realize that this brush had shimmery stuff on it. So now my nose is shimmery. It's not the product, it's me. It's all me. I'm just gonna go over it with my sponge that had like foundation stuff on it. So now it's not so bad. Alright, so I do like the way that it looks. Now I'm going to go in with the blush. The blush is the same type packaging. This is called Color Bloom Liquid Blush, and this is the shade Love Cake. Ooh, too much on that side. I think I did too much. Where's my brush? Okay, I'm gonna try to clean off my brush a little bit and then stipple, bring it up towards my hairline. Oh no. I did the same thing with the powder. It doesn't want to blend where I have the powder. I don't know what I was thinking. It's super pink. Definitely super pink. The product is good. Like it's not really sheer. It's got like a good pigmentation. It's just like user error. I should not have put powder down before I put the liquid on. That was very stupid on my part. But it's fine because I'm going to have a mask on anyways. Okay, so my last product from Shein. Alright, I'm going to use a makeup wipe. Clean off my lips. Because the last product I have from Shein. I'm still going to finish my makeup on camera, but what is this? Take a Hint Lip Tint. Still in the box. Still in the box. Oh, that packaging's cute too. This is the color Primp. It's getting darker. What? Did you see that? It went on super light pink and now it's getting like a rosy color. So that's it for the Shein stuff. I actually do really like all of it. Sorry again for the noise in the background. But yeah, I like it. Just don't put powder on before you put liquids. That was my mistake. So now I'm gonna go in with my eye makeup. I'm going to use some white concealer to prime my eyes today. I'm going to use my sponge to blend. And I did microblade my brows a little bit more since I last did a makeup video. They're naturally darker than they used to be. Alright, since I got so much like pink and stuff going on my face, I'm just going to use like neutral colors. I'm going to go in with my Nudes of York from Maybelline. I haven't used this thing in a while, so we're going to use it. I'm going to take the lightest shade and dust it all over the upper part of my eyelid space. I've been being very simplistic with my makeup lately. So that's the look we're going for, simple. Next I'm going to go in with this one. In the crease, just kind of put it on in there. I'm going in with a different brush now, and I'm going in with a little bit darker color. I'm going to go in with this one. I'm doing the same thing I just did, just not up as high. Okay, now I'm going to go in with more white concealer on my finger. Like I said, I've been real simple lately with my makeup. Rub them together and then like inner 3/4 of my lid. This is just to kind of clean up that lid space and give me a good base to put my lid color. My camera keeps stopping recording. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a shimmery shade on a flat brush. Just kind of pack it on there. Then with that dark color, I'm gonna go back in with that and put it on the outer corner and slightly go over top of that lid color I just placed, so you can see the difference. Alright, that's it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go in with a white liner just in the waterline. Sorry, this part's gross because I'm like bleh. Then I'm gonna put my liquid liner on. I've been using the Hyper Easy from Maybelline. Okay, so my headband fell off and my battery did die, so we're back. I got one eyeliner done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Ignore my hair, I haven't done my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put lashes on because I have plenty of time to put lashes on. But before I do that, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. They are microbladed, but when I have all this makeup on, I like to fill them in more, so I'm just going in with a pomade and I'm just going to fill it in. So I'm going to be using some Sheen Lashes. I did get a bunch of different lashes from Shein. So I have these, and I got these from Shein. I'm going to go with these for today. So before I do anything, I'm going to curl my lashes a little bit. Then I'm getting my tools that I use specifically for lashes. So I've got some scissors and some Revlon tweezers. And this is why you make sure your tweezers are not sticky before trying to apply your lashes. Sometimes it has leftover glue on it and it's sticky, so. Alright, hopefully it stays on. But now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara to coat my natural lashes. Okay, I'm done. I'm just going to spray some setting spray. I still haven't done my hair, but I'll do that later. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did like this video or you want more videos similar to this, go ahead and give this video a like so I know to make more content similar to this one. And I will hopefully be seeing you guys very soon. I do have a few video ideas that I want to be putting out, so make sure you're subscribed and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!